Hey dancers, welcome to the tutorial for Waterloo by one of my favorite groups, ABBA. Let's get started. Now the tricky part about this beginning is that it starts on an and count. So we start with the right foot, it goes and tap 1, and righty comes up 2, and tap 3, and tap 4, place it down and then left foot goes back 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and we start again. Facing the front, I'll show the feet first. We go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, and knee, and 3, and 4, down, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Now the arms are a little tricky. They start up, then they shoot down with dramatics, and then it goes elbow, and then we take it back here. I'll show it facing you first. It goes and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and back, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now next part, we're going to take it towards the mirror with a little chassé step. The feet go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we walk back 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms are in opposition. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they come down 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we take a little paddle around. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. D-step, 5, 6, 7, 8. And arms on that are up, up, down, down. So taking it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Putting those two parts together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're on to the chorus. It has this little kickball change. Right foot goes kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, kick. And we hop to the right, hop, hop, hop. And the knees go to the direction that you're heading. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now left foot, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go front, front, back, back. A little cheek turn. Ta, 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 ta. Bring the hip out, shake it, 4, 4, while the hands razzle and dazzle. I'll show it facing the front. It goes 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. Other side. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Razzle dazzle. 7, 8. Now right after the chorus, there's a little bridge. It's just a grapevine. Side, tap, side, tap. Arms are circling, rolling down the river, back, ta, 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 ta. So we just finished choo-choo, razzle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then before we get started at the verse again, we have showy tambourine hands around. And then it starts again. Tap, and the second time when we roll around after the chorus, 4 times, we go right back into that chassé. Forward, 1 time, and back. And then around right away, and V-step for the last chorus. Facing the front. I'll show you the second time. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, take it forward. Chassé, chassé, and back, around, tap, tap, and V-step to go. Kick, and kick, tap, tap, tap. All the way through 3 times with that choo-choo, both sides, and that's it. Awesome, I think we have everything. Let's dance it.